Print an EVRi, formerly Hermes shipping label from a mobile device. In this video you will learn how to print a label from EVRi mobile on an Android or Apple device with your ZSB printer. First, make sure you have installed and updated the ZSB series app from the App Store and logged into the app. Open the EVRi app on your mobile device and select Send, then send a new parcel. Enter the information for your parcel and purchase postage. After payment is successful, select Parcel Shop Drop-Off. Scroll down and select Print or Share Label. Select Share Label. Select ZSB Series. The print screen will open. Select Edit Label to adjust the print selection. Drag the print window to fit. Select Done. Select Print and the postage prints. Select Edit Label again to adjust the print selection for the packing slip. Select Done. Select Print and the packing slip prints. Congratulations on printing an EVRi shipping label.